Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy, and our patient, Mr. Reglan, who's 6 months and 6 days out from his hair transplant. Mm-hmm. And somewhere up in this screen, I'm going to have a picture of you before we did anything. And you're a healthy, how old are you?
I'm 57.
And the way I remember you is you exercise at the gym that my daughter's school's beside.
That is correct.
And you exercise kind of like I do. You're
5-6 days a week.
And so we did you October 25th.
Yep.
In February, you dropped.
February 16th, I dropped on the treadmill, had a heart attack, was dead for up to 10 minutes.
And they did CPR and resuscitated
CPR, they hit me with a defibrillator 3 times, got me going again.
And you went to the hospital and had heart surgery.
It's heart surgery. I was in a medically induced coma for 5 days. I had double bypass surgery, 14 days in the hospital.
Scar.
Yep.
Here's scar's pretty good.
Yep, scar's pretty good. 14 days.
Okay, see you tomorrow, man.
When I went in, I didn't have much hair. 14 days later, I emerged from the hospital with hair.
Crazy.
I
wouldn't recommend that treatment.
Yeah, no, the heart. Yeah.
Yeah, when
it's not the fertilizer treatment you want.
That's correct. Yeah. So you now have a framed face.
Yep.
And although bend over just a little bit.
Yep.
It's thin up here on top, but it's 6 months and 6 days,
yep.
And in another 6 months or 7 months, it'll be significantly bigger. And again, I'll have a picture of us.
Okay.
Of you before.
Yeah.
And then I turned you around, and you really scar well. And you just told me,
yep.
You agreed with me. It's half the doctor that sews you up.
At least half. Yeah.
And half your physiology.
Right.
And probably some component of luck.
Right.
Yeah. And so.
Yeah.
I'd say when I up your scar up right now, that's probably the best scar I've had in 8 years.
Wow.
I mean, it's awesome.
All right.
And so, was I up front with you with all this?
You were, and that's a big selling feature.
You look at the camera.
That's a big selling feature. Everything I read, everything you told me was 100% accurate.
And did we try to talk you into anything?
You did not.
Okay.
You might have even talked me out of some things.
I know.
Right.
Oh, that's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. What do you want to add? Because you always want
I know
to talk.
when he comes. Well, you have me here for a reason, don't you? Well, when he called me and I told you he called me that he needed to do his follow up, and then he said, "This is what happened," what he just said, and he's like, "Well, when people didn't feel like too sorry for him because he was looking much better, right?"
I have gotten someone when I came out of the hospital. I said, "You look so much better," but they didn't say they couldn't figure out what.
Yeah.
It was the hair.
Yeah, it's not radical, but it just frames your face.
It does. That's what makes the difference. Yeah.
Okay.
For me.
How much did it hurt when I did your surgery?
None. I had no pain.
And did you swell a bunch the first couple of days?
First couple of days I did swell some.
And I don't remember your cleaning. Did you come here or did you clean?
I did. I came here the first day for you to take the bandage off, and then my wife helped me do the cleaning after that.
Yeah, they came on the third day, and then I showed her, and then she did all of it.
Yeah.
Okay. Anything you want to tell these characters that are watching?
Everything that I read, everything I heard was accurate. I could not be happier with the results and the tremendous care I got while I was here. So 100% thumbs up.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep.
All right, so Mr. Reglan, we just turned off the doggone camera.
Right.
And then you said to me, what?
Yeah, so what I wanted to tell you was with the heart attack, and actually with another operation that I had recently, I've had a chance to be under the care of a lot of healthcare providers, and I'll just say that by far what I experienced here in Dr. Lindsey's office was the best from the beginning to the end. Unfortunately, I can't say that even though I had some great surgeries, the care around those surgeries it was kind of hit or miss, and I found myself having to be my own advocate a lot of times. That was not the case here.
Right. All I care about is a bald picture before and a picture with hair.
That's what I care about, and and what I was told was exactly what I got in terms of results.
All right. Thanks, man.
Yeah.